2016 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS for sale in Baltimore, Maryland 21244. Spread your wings and fly with this 2016 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS. This Class A toy hauler is 38.75 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine mated with a 6-speed Torqshift automatic transmission. This RV has 2 slide-outs, 2 awnings and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 10 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors, leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 4,500 miles, you can rest assured that this Thor Motor Coach will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with 3-burner stove, oven and large microwave / convection oven, residential refrigerator / FreezerDouble Kitchen SinkDream Dinette, 40x69 sleeping area, pull-out pantry, fireplace, 40-inch LED television surround sound, DVD / CD / StereoSofa with Air Bed, 60x74 sleeping area, drop-down overhead BunkEuro ReclinerLarge bathroom with shower, toilet, sink, queen size bed, wardrobe, closet, 96x122 garage, 86x100 ramp door area, 28 LED television, outside entertainment and so much more. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Thor Motor Coach is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A toy hauler 2016 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 37 LS.